Hey everyone, today we're looking at the eLinkSmart Fingerprint Bluetooth Padlock. It's a keyless, app-controlled security lock designed for your daily use on gym lockers, gates, sheds, and travel gear. This is a durable padlock that combines fingerprint access and Bluetooth unlock with a mobile app. Included in the box is your paperwork, user manual, the padlock, and micro USB charging cable. It's weather resistant and compact. It's built on modern biometric security coupled with sharing features and real-time logging tools. It feels really rugged and durable with a slick paint job, so it's definitely built to last. Getting this padlock set up, you will need to download the eLinkSmart app from the App Store. After you have registered, you can sync up the padlock using Bluetooth, as well as modify the padlock's name. This will help keep track if you're using multiple locks. After that is all set up, you can go ahead and start getting your fingerprint recognized. It has a setup process where you will hold your finger on the biometric scanner, taking a few placement readings, recording your fingerprint, and storing it, completing your setup. You can also store up to 20 fingerprint profiles. And with the extreme long battery life, you don't have to worry about the lock failing you anytime soon. The Smart Padlock can support up to 6 months in standby time, or being unlocked around 2,000 times. So that should be plenty of time to use the lock before you need to recharge again. The logging security feature is pretty neat. It will log every time that this lock is used, whether it's being opened by fingerprint or using the unlock button on the app. It gives you all the details by a timestamp and the username from the stored fingerprint readings. So if you're tired of keeping track of keys or combinations, whether it's for your locker, gate, or even travel luggage, this eLinkSmart Padlock is a smart upgrade. The biometric entry and app-based control makes this lock so convenient. So if you're looking for a compact smart padlock, be sure to check this one out. We have all of our links and details located in the description, as well as give this video a like if you found it helpful. And of course, if you have any questions, make sure to let us know in the comments. That is going to wrap it up for this one. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.